What have I done? The parrots are gonna use my satellite to permanently remove the voices of everyone on Earth so they can rule the world forever.
How much time do we have?
They're launching a spaceship to the satellite right fucking now!
Oh, no!
Wait! Sorry, right in a fucking half an hour.
It's no Hudson, but it'll do. Curveball, slider, fastball, boom! Change up, boom!
And you're dead.
A young Mulan!
Randy, hurry!
I love you, Jesse!
I love you, too!
Sometimes the game doesn't go your way!
Can we please get some snacks?
Terry, focus! The parrots are on their way to Yummy-Lax satellite right now!
There is one other option. A species on this planet with so much passion woven into their DNA that they were immune to the effects of the love removal ray.